A word of encouragement to someone out there who wants to start anything new but afraid. Don't be scared to start, for God is with you. Just put Him first. Remember, Isaiah 41:10 says not to fear, for He is with you and He is your God. Welcome back to my channel, lovelies. So today, lovelies, I'm going to be making two sauce, okay? Our local garden egg sauce and my recipe, garden egg mixed with egg sauce, okay? So as you can see, I've cooked my garden egg already. And here I'm pounding it, okay? You can use your mortar, the small mortar to pound yours. You can even use your blender if you want something very smooth. But I don't want mine to be that smooth, and that's why I'm using my bowl and my spatula, okay? So keep watching. Thanks for watching. This our gardener sauce does not need any artificial spices like curry or thyme. Just use natural spices like crayfish, your onions, ginger and garlic paste, your seasoning and salt to taste. That's all. So please do watch till the end and let me know your preference, okay? Let me know which one you preferred. And please do support my channel by subscribing to this channel. Thank you. I would so much appreciate that. Turn on the notification bell to get all my videos. Do like, comment, and also share. Thanks for your support. I'm never taking it for granted. God bless you. All those watching and my subscribers, I'm grateful. May God honor you. May God provide all your needs. Thank you so much for keeping me going. So I'll see you later, guys. So after I added everything, I covered to cook for about 5 minutes. Then I added my egg, okay, my whisk egg. And I'll cook for another 5 minutes. So now I'll transfer my pounded garden egg into my egg sauce and stir together continuously until it's well mixed together. Then I'll cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Is this eat or pass for you? Let me know in the comment section, okay? As you can see, it's looking so good already. Trust me, this tastes so good, so delicious. So that's all about this. And now to our second sauce. Now that I've added everything, I'll add my pounded garden egg and mix properly. And that is all, guys. That's all about our local garden egg sauce. So let me know which one you preferred between these two sauces. But trust me, everyone that tasted both preferred the egg mixed with garden egg sauce. That's just an 100. Even I myself preferred the egg with garden egg sauce. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.